Hello, my glamorous friends. It's me, Gigi. Welcome back to my channel. A friend of the channel had gifted me these months ago, and actually maybe last year. Anyway, I had never used them because I never really had a good transfer foil gel, and now that I do, and it's Christmas and winter, it's time to use them. Now, the one we're going to use today isn't specifically wintry. It's got stars on it, but you know, it feels like the right time of year for it. So we're going to go ahead and bust it out and use it. It is by Enail Couture. We do not have really any other products by Max in the collection. For certain reasons that are not even worth going into, so we won't. But I will say that I was not upset with this transfer foil, and we will get into that very quickly because this is not a super long video today. So this is the foil that I chose, and you can see it's got some really pretty holographic stars on a black background. Now here's my one problem with it, is that the black part of it is not opaque. It's really very spotty. It's you can see through it in a weird way. So I don't love that, but you'll see in a minute. Everything else about it is great. So we are just coming in with some of that silver that we painted the pinky with, and just ombreing it down the black. I didn't ombre them two together, which you could absolutely do here. What I really wanted was the look of the silver being on top of the black and blending down. I think it's a little bit different than a traditional ombre, and that's the look I was going for, almost like falling glitter, if you will. So now I'm cleaning off the brush a little bit and then coming back in and doing that drag tap motion again. And I did want to mention that this brush is not wet, but it is damp with a little bit of alcohol on it, because that does sort of help drag the drier polish. The glitter polish is a little drier than some others, so it does help drag that down a little bit. Now, while those two cure, this is the transfer foil gel, and that is by the iMethod Beauty. What is it? I always do that. It's not like I've done that since I was a kid. When I was a kid, I used to say, let's go to the Kmart. So I think it's just part of my personality to say the. So there you go. Now we're taking this glitter gel. And so far, all the polish we've used is, actually all the polish we use today is Model 1s. And that's a little holographic star that we're going to add, because we're going to really lean into the star motif. And we're going to come down with some more of that glitter gel, and this is a holographic silver. And you're just being really gentle with it, right? I'm not trying to give it a lot. Just, again, that sensation of falling glitter, right? And one little lonely star in there. I don't know if it's lonely. I don't know why I have to say lonely. So now let's go ahead and add that transfer foil. Guys, look at how quickly that came off. I mean, almost no effort at all. So while you do actually need to use a black background on it, because it's not completely opaque, the holographic of it is just amazing, and the way that it transfers is really beautiful. So if you see this on their site and you're wondering if it's any good, I would say yes. If you have a good transfer foil gel, I would not hesitate to get this. There is a bunch more designs, so we will definitely play with those. There's no way we're going to get to them all this year, honeys. I'm sorry. Mainly because, there's only so many days between now and Christmas, and most of them are Christmassy designed. designs. But there is some winter and some that I think will be great for New Year's. So we're going to spread a couple of them out throughout the season. Let's go ahead and top coat these, and then I'm just going to show you really quickly what I did to a his set. This could be the hers, the shorter one could be the his, or it could be hers and hers and his, or theys and theirs, whatever love or friend situation you're in and you want matching nails, these would be for you. I think that the short ones are just as cute as the long ones, just in their own different way. Because I try not to make them exactly match. I want the other ones to have their own flavor, but still go with them. Look how pretty these are, guys. I didn't just set them down because they don't look right sitting on the white background, but if I'm holding them with my black gloves, for some reason that looks better. And I just wanted to give you a little movement so you could see that hollow. Now I did go ahead and paint all the nails off camera. Thumb and pinky finger are silver, and that's all that's going to happen to them. These two black ones, which are ring finger and index finger, are going to go half silver, cured, then come in with that same holographic silver glitter gel, blah, 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 bitty, blah, blah, blah. And I decided not to do a fade on this one. I just wanted it to be a little more linear, right? And so that way it has its own flavor. And for the middle finger, we're going to go ahead and come back in with that same holographic transfer foil. Lay that down. Look at how nice that is. That's some good foil, guys. And then go ahead and top coat these. Now, I kept it shiny because here's the thing. If you go matte, you lose the holographic. You will not get any of that. It would just be silver, and that would be pretty as well. But I really wanted this to be sort of a Holo-day set. So this is going to be our happy Holo-days, and I love them. I have to say, I absolutely love them. And this is how they came out, guys. Really, really cute together, right? I totally adore these nails. Thank you guys so much for watching. Talk to me in the comment section, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.